are primarily into manufacture and supply of 22 carat traditional Indian gold jewelry. You name the place, you name the town in the country, and we have a customer there. Design is in the heart of everything we do. And design is Indian design. To produce something which is like catering to the Indian taste of the Indian women primarily. So they like things to be intricate, they like things to be fine, small details are there, small features are there. Our idea is to design something and immediately see the output in real gold. Best thing, in my opinion, was the first choice automatically was SolidScape. To improve our designs and to improve the visualization, having a working model, then replicating it helps greatly. When I discuss this thing with my associates or colleagues or whosoever in the industry, with their money being spent, I have to be honest. So I advise them that yes, definitely if you are planning a SolidScape, it will give you an option of casting something directly, because you have an output. You just put it into your investment, dewax and cast it, that's it. You don't even need to file it. You don't even need to apply a file or a buff or a finishing tool on your pieces. Definitely no. So it saves at least 2 or 3 days of your cycle time. Designers can think in a different way that, oh yes, this can happen, we can make this also. The technology is the thing which excites me most, and it excites me always, because with technology and with emerging new trends, you can do fascinating things.
CAD design is, I think, a very big revolution in the diamond jewelry, especially in diamond jewelry, because some design, the prong cars are not proper, the diamond fall down. The most important thing is in the jewelry, CAD jewelry, is gold weight. After the CAD CAM machine coming, the jewelry weight is less weight, good finish, no complaints. Customer are satisfied, then sale will grow high. In these days, I show one earring to you. It's very beautiful. If we make in hand, it is no finish in there. Again, we same earring we can make in the CAD CAM machine, your SolidScape. It is very beautiful, very elegant. If we want to make this bangle in the handmade, it's about 15 to 20 days. First thing. Second thing, the finish. Handmade finish may not be very good. Third thing, accuracy. In the SolidScape, we can make this bangle. It is hardly going only 4 days, maximum 4 days, I think. With accuracy, with a good finish, with low cost. Your company services in India is, I think, very good service. We call your company service center in Bombay. They talk 1 hour, 2 hour, no problem. Going the feedback from the net, also web camera, going the service from the net web camera. If the problem not solved, they can come to Delhi immediately, next 24 hours. That is the main thing.